guys, we have another great product review. It's a LED garage light.
An LED garage light. And you know, you don't have to use it just for your garage. You can set this up in your closet, your warehouse, wherever you want. But yeah, it's cool for a garage. All right, Jenda, why don't you go ahead and unbox that?
There's two pieces.
And this is a 2-pack.
Oh, no.
Oh, make it.
So it's 150 watts. And yeah, those arms expand like that. Turn it that way. Yeah. You have 5 panels that expand and 1 panel dead center in the middle. And this is going to use a lot less wattage than your light bulb, but it'll be a lot brighter. So, Jenda, what you have in your other hand, that's a socket. If you don't have a socket for it to be wired, for it to be screwed onto, you can wire that socket. Like say, like our bedroom closet, we do not have a socket. We have the long type of fluorescent tube, but we could wire this and use this light, and our closet would be very bright if we wanted to do that. All right, let me move this other light out of the way. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pull in a lamp and we will just demonstrate how this garage light works. So we are back. We screwed our garage light into our bulb socket, and Jenda is gonna just demonstrate how bright it is. Go ahead and click that on, Jenda.
Wow.
It's blinding. It is so bright. Can you show how the panels flip up? You can aim it anywhere you want.
It's way too bright.
Yeah, so you get the picture. This is very bright, and what we're going to do next, I'm just going to go ahead and replace my garage light and show you how it looks in my garage. So our LED garage light is now installed. We can see every nook and cranny in my garage. It is lit up so bright at such a reduced cost. We will put a link in the description where you may purchase this garage light on Amazon. Thanks guys for watching.